Okay, this video is about multi-booting with KaOS GNU/Linux with the KDE desktop environment. Um, It's going to show how it looks like when you multi-boot with KaOS.
Okay, this video is about KaOS. What it did. Okay, this video is about KaOS OS. I will show how to. This video, I made a video on how to octaboot KaOS Linux, GNU/Linux with Windows 10 and the other 16 operating system based on GNU/Linux. This here doesn't use the GRUB boot manager, so I'm going to show here how it looks. I'm going to show how, if you want to boot to the other operating system, because on the login screen here, you only have, on the boot screen here, you only have the option to boot with the KaOS Linux or boot to Windows. So you have to boot. I'm going to boot first. I'm going to show you boot first to Windows Boot Manager, and you have to you gotta boot to the Linux distribution that you like, and then use the sudo update grub to update the OSs in the GRUB boot manager. So this way here you have to when you on the login on the boot screen, you can boot direct to KaOS OS or boot to Windows. For inside Windows, you can boot inside the UEFI firmware, and you can select the operating system to boot to. So what I done, I'm going to show here what I did here. So first I'm going to log into my Windows 10 computer here. Windows 10. And after login here, you're going to you click on the start. Click on the start here. And then you select settings. Once you select the settings, you scroll down to update and security. It's in Portuguese, but then you select here recovery. Then you're going to select the second option here. On the recovery, you select the second option here. To start with the USB or DVD, you select that option. And then on the screen here, you're going to select the second option here. You're going to get to the UEFI firmware settings here, that you can select the OS or the DVD or the USB stick. So we're going to select the second option here. So it's going to be okay. So here I can use I can boot direct to the Deepin, Ubuntu, Artix Linux, SwagArch, Q4 OS. Then I can click here. I can boot to OpenSUSE, MX17, Arco Linux, OpenMandriva, Neptune, Debian, and so I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna boot to Ubuntu, and I'm gonna show. Actually, I'm gonna boot to Q4. Actually, let me see. Q4 is. Now I'm gonna boot into Ubuntu. I'm gonna boot into Ubuntu. The Ubuntu, I run the sudo update grub. So, and then I have all the GNU/Linux distribution here. So as you can see, KaOS, when you run the sudo update grub, when you use sudo update grub, it updates all the grub entries here. So from here I can boot direct to KaOS, or I can boot to other operating system. I can boot to Windows from here. So I'm gonna boot to Ubuntu. I'm gonna pause the video a little bit so we save some time with the booting here. Actually, let's play the video. When you run sudo update grub, it takes up to 5 minutes to boot to find all the operating system there. But that's the login screen of the Ubuntu 16.04. You can see here. I will today is 25. Today is April 25th, so I will install Ubuntu 18.04. I will keep the 16.04. I will have multiple. I will have Ubuntu 16.04 and 18.04. So I want to keep the Unity Ubuntu with the Unity desktop interface, desktop environment, and I want to use Ubuntu with the GNOME. So I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna reboot the computer here, and I'm going to boot to KaOS. So I'm just gonna press enter. So KaOS is one of the operating systems that I give 2 thumbs up. So I just have to press enter here or wait 6 seconds. I'll wait the second to let it boot direct to the interface here. So the OS is very clean. I just did installation, didn't connect to the internet yet. I will make a video on how to customize it, how to use it. But KaOS is an independent distro using the KDE Plasma desktop environment, but it's very, very, very nice. So I really recommend. It's a rolling release, and it's based on Arch Linux. So I will make this video. I will finish this video right inside of the KaOS. So this is the login screen. I just have to GNU/Linux distribution with no problem. I have Windows 10. That too, it came with Windows 8. I upgraded to this is how it looks like. So I will finish this video right inside of it.
Okay, so my next video will be after install guide of KaOS. I will show how to customize it a little bit, how to install software, how to update the system, and that's it. Very easy to use the distro. Beautiful interface, very quick, and I recommend it to anyone. Very easy to install too. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video.